Hi everyone, welcome back to the Careers Portal. In this video, we'll be giving you a Sassa application process step-by-step guide. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and future career. Grants distributed by Sassa include the Older Person's Pension Grant, Disability Grant, War Veterans Grant, Care Dependency Grant, Foster Child Grant, Child Support Grant Top-Up, and the Grant in Aid. Whether you're applying for the Child Support Grant, Older Persons Grant, or Disability Grant, I've got you covered with both in-person and online application methods. Let's get into it. Applying at the Sassa office. First up, you can visit your local Sassa branch to apply. The staff there will guide you through the whole application process. And here's an important tip. If you can't make it to the office because of illness or age, you can authorize someone to apply on your behalf. Just make sure they have the proper authorization documents when they go. After applying at an office, processing can take up to 3 months. If approved, payments begin from the date of application. Applying online. If visiting a branch isn't ideal for you, Sassa has made it easier by offering online applications. Here's how you can apply from the comfort of your home. Go to the Sassa Services portal www.services.sassa.gov.za. Register as a new user if you haven't already. Log in using your username and password. Click Apply for a grant and select the grant you need, whether it's for older persons, child support or foster child. Fill out the application form thoroughly. Once done, print the affidavit generated by Sassa and have it certified by a Commissioner of Oaths. Print, sign and submit the bank payment form along with the certified affidavit. Upload all your supporting documents in PDF format. And then finally, submit your application. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email or SMS with a reference number that you can use to track your application status. Use this reference number to track your Sassa status online. There is no application fee involved, so be cautious of anyone asking for money to process your application. Make sure to check the official Sassa website for a complete list of required documents for the grant you're applying for. If your application is rejected, Sassa will inform you in writing of any rejection, telling you what the reasons for the rejection are and your appeal options. Appeals can be made to the Department of Social Development within 90 days of receiving the rejection notice. Sassa usually pays permanent social grants in the first week of the month, starting on the second working day of the month. It's important to remember that Sassa grant payments don't take place on weekends and public holidays. Sassa grant beneficiaries can also collect their Sassa social grants at several payment points. These payment points include ATMs and retail stores such as Pick n Pay, Checkers, Shoprite and Boxer stores. Sassa said that there is no need to rush to withdraw the Sassa money on the first day because once the money is paid, it will stay in your bank account. Head to our website to find out more about SOD grants, how to apply for Sassa grants and how to check your Sassa status. Comment down below any questions you have and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.